Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So for today, we are going to be unboxing this from Greath Lenghts, which has iColor Plus and Argan Beauty. Let's go! Ito pala, nakalabas na siya because it comes with a paper bag. Oh my gosh, this is a lot! Wow! Look! Wow! Ang dami! It says here, Dear Miss Samantha, thank you so much for this opportunity to send you our Greath Lenghts iColor Plus Shampoo in hair color and Argan Beauty Hair Mask and Keratin Daily Treatment. Here are some products for you to try and pamper your hair with, especially this coming Mother's Day. Thank you so much! This is so sweet. Share the love to yourself as you always give your love to others. Very true. God bless you and happy Mother's Day. With love, Greath Lenghts. Ah! Okay. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo ng close-up kung ano yung naman niya. Let's remove this one. Meron na siyang pangkulay or brush. And then, these products inside. Okay, ang dami. And, I'm so excited. Here you go. This chestnut brown. Then we have black, light brown. There you go. Medium brown. So we have medium brown here. We have dark brown. We have, oh my gosh, triple color changer. There. See? Wild cherry. There. Okay, one of my favorite colors. Burgundy. Oh, okay. I'm so excited. I'm so pumped. Hindi ako makapili ko ng kulay. OMG. Keratin. Argan Beauty Keratin Daily Treatment. This is the Intense Repair. There. This is Argan Beauty Keratin Daily Treatment Anti-Hair Fall. This one is perfect because since I'm going to color my hair, Argan Beauty Keratin Daily Treatment Color Protect. Thank you so much! Okay. This Keratin Daily Treatment, Argan Beauty Keratin Daily Treatment, Healthy Shine plus Vitamin E. There! Yay! Argan Beauty Hair Mask with Argan Oil, Healthy Shine, the Anti-Hair Fall. There. And then we have the Color Protect. And then we have the Intense Repair. There. So I'm going to go for the triple color changer.
Guys, this is super easy to use. You just have to put everything here sa bowl. That's it. And you can see that yung consistency niya is parang shampoo talaga, diba? Super nice. Ayan, so I just put it in my hair. So una, ginamit ko muna yung brush and then dinagay ko lang siya sa kamay ko. Siyempre naka-gloves ako ng ganyan. Tapos ni-rub and massage ko na lang siya sa hair ko using my hands. So here, I waited for 60 minutes para mas tumalab yung color sa hair ko. And there you have it. When I washed it off, I used Argan Beauty Hair Mask with Argan Oil para ma-lock in yung hair color sa hair ko. So I really feel good about this. Ang ganda ng hair color ko. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And happy Mother's Day to me as well.